Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our 6th video of a C programming. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. I gave link into the description box. Now let's get start with the video. In this video we are going to learn about the constants. Our topic name is constant and literals in a C. First we will see what is a constant and a literals. Constant means the value doesn't change. Constant refer to fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called as a literals. The value of a constant is stored at the location in a memory of a computer. Means when we are declared the constant variables, that time the values are stored at the computer's memory location. Constant values cannot be modified after their definition. Means once we declare the constants, after that we can't change the values for the constant variables. Constant are treated just like a regular variables. Constant can be any of the basic data types like integer constant, floating constant, character constant and string literals. There are enumeration constant also present in a C constants. Next we will see integer constant. Integer constant is a primary constant. An integer constant can be a decimal, octal or hexadecimal constant. Octal, hexadecimal are the number systems. There are some rules for the integer constant. These are as follows. An integer constant must have at least a 1 digit. It must not have a decimal point. Means point value does not comes under the integer constant. It can be either a positive or a negative. We can declare the integer constant as a positive integers, also negative integers. No commas or blanks are allowed within an integer constant. There is a no space should be allowed in an integer constant. If no sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be a positive. Means if there is a no sign, then integer constant default value will be positive value. The allowable range for the integer constant is minus 32768 to 32767. Here are some examples for the integer constant. The constant type integer constant example is here int 53 762 and minus means 478. Minus 478 is a negative value. We can declare integer constant in a unsigned int also and long int also. We can declare the integer constant. The constant type octal example is a 013, which octal constant starts with a 0, and hexadecimal constant example here is a 0x90. Hexadecimal constant start with the 0x. Now we will see about the floating point constant. Floating point constant also known as a real point constants. A floating point literal has an integer part, a decimal point, a fractional part and an exponent part. You can represent floating point literals either in a decimal form or exponential form. While representing decimal form, you must include the decimal point, the exponent or a both. While representing exponential form, you must include the integer part, the fractional part or a both. The unsigned exponent is introduced by small letter e or a capital letter E. Here is example is 3.14159 and 314159e -5l is an example for the floating point constant. Next we will see about character constant. A character literals are enclosed in a single quotes. Means the characters comes under the single inverted commas. Here example is a X is a letter we declared in a single quotes can be stored in a simple variable for of character type. A character literal can be a plain character, example for that is a X. An escape sequence, example is a /t, or a universal character, example is a /U02C0. There are certain characters in a C that represent a special meanings, like escape sequence, example /t, which is used for the giving a space or a blank space. Next one is a string literals. String literals or a constant are enclosed in a double quotes. A string contains a characters that are similar to a characters, literals, plain character, escape sequence, and a universal characters. You can break a long line into a multiple lines by using string literals and separating them by using a white space. Here example is hello dear. We are written inside the double quotes. Here another example is we are written here hello dear, but here we used a /t is a escape sequence. Again we are written hello dear, but here separated in a 3 parts. First one hello, second D, third one is a year. The separate parts comes under the double quotes. This is what about the string literal. Now we will see how the constants are defined in a C. There are two simple ways to define constant in a C. First one is by using a hash define preprocessor. The second one is by using a constant as a keyword. First we will see by how the constant will be defined by using a hash define preprocessor. Here is the syntax, that is a hash define identifier value. Now we will see one example for this hash define preprocessor. Here we are declaring one program. After defining a preprocessor, we define the constant preprocessor here, that is a hash define length 10, hash define width 5, hash define new line /n. Here we are declared the values for length and width. Then we are written our main function that is a int main. Inside that we declared area as a integer variable, and area is equal to length into width. Then we are going to print the result for area. Then printf new line and returning value as a 0. Then what will be the output here for our program? The output will be value of area is a 50, because we declared the length is a 10 and width as a 5 by using a hash define preprocessor. So it will be calculated that in the formula area is equal to length into width, so we will get an output as a 50. This is how we used the hash define preprocessor here. Next we will see the constant as a keyword. While writing the constant as a keyword, we use constant as a const. The syntax for this is const type variable equal to value. Now we will see one example for the constant keyword. First we will see what is a keyword. The keyword is a meaning who is already explained to the C compiler. Inside the main function, we are declaring the variables by using a constant keyword. Length is equal to 10, width is equal to 5, then character new line /n, integer variable area is equal to length into width. I'm going to print the result for a area. Then printf new line, returning value as a 0. Then what will be the output for this? Output will be value of a area is a 50, because we declared the length as a 10 and width as a 5. This we will calculated in the formula area is equal to length into width, so we will get output as a 50. Here constant int length 10, which we are used as a keyword. In for declaring the length and width we used a keyword. This is how we learn in today's topic about the constant and literals of a C programming. In the next video we are going to learn about the storage classes. So keep watching our videos and thank you for watching the video.